Good morning, friend. So, from this video, I will be teaching you how to do shopping from Vestis POS app. Friend, sometimes our team members are struggle on how to do shopping from Vestis POS. So, this video is going to help you out. So, see this video from start to end. You will get to learn on how to do shopping from Vestis POS. Friend, for this, in order to do shopping from Vestis POS app, you need to install Vestis POS application from Google Play Store. Friend, since I have already installed it from Google Play Store, you see the third row first icon Vestis POS here. Just click on Vestis POS, and if you are logging in for the first time on this app, it will ask you for the distributor ID and password. Since I have already provided here the distributor ID and password, it takes me directly to this screen, home screen. So here you see different icons: order, my order, add distributor, DF, KYC. So all these options. So I will be creating separate video for all these options, like how to add distributor, how to fill DF form, but this video is specifically to show you how to do online shopping from Vestis POS. Now, in order to do the shopping, just click on order icon, the first icon here, and you see at the top distributor ID is mentioned, and below that you see the distributor name. So you need to check it if it is correct. Now there are two options, self and courier. So if you click on self here, it will show you the nearest DLCP center from your location. So as you see here, my nearest DLCP center is this. So what does this mean? So self means that once I complete the order, I process the payment, I will have to pick my product or pick my order from this store. So now there are two options. One, self, I'll go to the DLCP center, and what I'll do, I'll just pick my order from the DLCP store. Now if I want my product to be delivered directly to my doorstep, I'll click here on the courier. So once you click on courier, it will show you your address. So what you need to do, you need to verify that this address is correct. So you just verify it and click on order. Now once you click on order, you will it will again ask you to verify the address. So it is showing you that courier address is my address and mobile number. So sometimes the courier boy fails to locate your address. So in that case, the mobile number is very important. So if you want to provide another mobile number, let's say one more mobile number, so that it is easy for the delivery boy, just in the alternate mobile number you can provide another mobile number. So just verify this address, phone number, and click on proceed button here. You click on proceed button. Now see, it is showing you all categories here, like agriculture product, air purifier, all essentials, Ayurveda. So all these categories, so all the products are listed under different categories. But yes, I will suggest you to click on all category at the top, so that you can search for the item. See, now I clicked on all category, and now I'll search for the item I want to order from Vestis POS app. So I just clicked on the search, and I write here rice bran. You see here rice bran oil is available. So I clicked on, let's say I want 2 bottle of rice bran oil. So I just press the plus button 2 times. Now see here, you see here the item is showing here. Now let's say I want now toothpaste. I'll just click here toothpaste. So you see I just wrote tooth in the search button, and all the 3 type of toothpaste available with Vestis are showing up. So let's say I want one toothpaste Dentasure, one whitening toothpaste, and one, let's say, Ganoderma toothpaste. So friend, you see here all these items are picked. Now let's say I want tea. I'll click here tea. You see here Zeta tea and Vaseline tea, whatever you want. You can just click on the plus sign, and if you want more quantity you can just reduce and increase the number of item here. Okay, let's say I have ordered everything, and let's say I want a spirulina. Just click here spirulina. You see here Vestis spirulina capsule. I clicked on plus button, it is added to my cart. So once you select all the item whatever you wanted, you need at the very bottom you need to verify. Let's say now it is showing up 1362, like the total payment I'll have to make is 1362 rupees, and the total PV I will get is 39.84 PV. So you need to verify how much PV you are getting, how much cost you will have to pay. So once you do this, just click on proceed. So once you click on the proceed button, it will show you all the items you have selected. It is just to verify. You just go ahead and verify all the items you have selected is listed out here, and once you verified it, click on proceed button again, and you see this screen is showing us. So in the online payment option you see rupees 00, so it is not the correct amount. At the top you see remaining amount is 1362 and PV is 39.84. now where it is written 0.00, just click there and it will update the price tag. So now in the online payment it is showing me 1362 rupees. Okay, this is done. Now at the very bottom you need to verify the delivery address where the goods or the products are going to be delivered, and at the last option you see delivered from. So it is showing me from which DLCP center my product is going to be delivered at my doorstep and the contact number of that DLCP center. So you may want to note it down so that if there is any delay in the delivery you can call this number and ask for the the delivery. Okay, now once you do everything, you verify everything, click on place order button here, and here it is a check. So if you are doing shopping from other shopping sites, it usually takes you to the payment option, but here in Vestis POS it will not show you. It will just show you that thank you for placing order, your order number and contact number of the DLCP center. You click OK here and it will take you to the home screen. Now friend, your order has been placed, but you need to process the payment as well. So in order to process the payment, click on my order button. You clicked here, you will see all the order. So this is your order reference number. So order is this, status is confirmed, the same amount here showing up 1362. You just verify it, and here in red you see it is written unpaid here, and above that there is a checkbox. What you need to do, you need to click on that checkbox. Once you click on the checkbox, at the top you see it is written pay 1362, right? So now you need to click on this pay 1362 button, and it will take you to the payment gateway as you do while shopping from other websites. Now since I have ordered less than 1600 rupees, therefore it is telling me that a courier charge of 65 will be added to this amount. So in 1362 rupees 65 will be added, so my total net amount is now 1427. So I'll have to pay 1427 rupees. Okay, that's fine. I'll click yes here, and I clicked on yes. You see now it is taking me to the payment option. Here's the payment option. Just click on pay button here, and once you click on pay button it will show you all the options. So you can pay by Paytm, debit card, credit card, Bhim UPI, net banking, whatever payment option you want to pay from, you can go ahead and pay from there. So let's say I click on net banking. So net banking, you see all the banks listed here. You select your bank and do the payment. Let's say I want to do it from debit card. It is very easy. Put the card number, card expiry date, CVV number, and click on pay. So once you click on pay, it will ask for the OTP. So you will get a OTP on your mobile SMS. Just copy that OTP and paste on the OTP button in the OTP bar, and you are done. So basically this is the complete process on how you can do shopping from Vestis POS. This is easy and this is important. Friend, if you are doing a business, it is very important to do regular shopping, or shopping of, of the product which your direct selling company is manufacturing. So friend, I'll just end this video here. If you like this video, just hit the like button and subscribe the channel so that you can get all this small information which will uh, you know allow you to coach your team members, guide your team members on how to do shopping, how to do DF form, how to fill DF form, and all these steps. So friends, thanks a lot for listening this, for sharing this. Just subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you very much.